I'm Cathy, the Clumsy Soaper. Today, I would like to share the making of Melt and Pour Amethyst Geode Soap. Before we start, I'd like to thank you for joining me again this week. If you are new here in my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon for a weekly soap making tips and tricks, DIY tutorials, or recipe sharing from me. Soap making is my passion, so I would really appreciate if you can join me in my soap making journey so we could learn and grow together. So, let's get started! I used goat's milk soap base that I cooled down to around 50 degrees Celsius. You can use any opaque soap base depending on your preference. I placed this at the tip of our soap mold. Here I just improvised half sphere shape using a bath bomb mold that I lined with a cling wrap. You can use any mold that you prefer, but I'd like to make this as realistic as I possibly can, and I already have the bath bomb mold, so I just use what I have. Here I have soap shavings that I cut into small pieces. It doesn't have to be colored just like this one, but it would be good to have a mix of different colors inside the soap as a hidden surprise when they cut the geode soap. I just filled it up without any specific orientation just to bring some texture and pour transparent soap base to fill the gaps and bind the soaps together. I added skin-safe glitters here and waited for a few minutes for the soap to set and form a film on top. While waiting, I took refined sugar and added purple mica because I'd like to make an amethyst geode. You can choose whatever color that you want depending on what crystal soaps you aim to create. Then I poured transparent soap base to the colored sugar. Next, I poked a hole in the film that was formed on top of the soap and filled it up with colored sugar. And then we pour transparent soap base and add some glitters on top for highlight. I unmolded the geode soap and tried to deform and squeeze it so that it will look realistic. On the outer layer, I added activated charcoal to white soap base to make it gray in color, then poured it into inverted geode soaps. You have to place it into a small tray or a container like what I did to collect all the drippings. Then I waited for a few minutes for the soap to set and took all the drippings and placed it to cover the layer. It doesn't have to be perfect in shape because the texture and irregularities is what we are after. You can stop at this point, but if you like to add additional highlight, you can watch the optional steps where I mica painted the geode soaps with gold mica. While I am painting, it's time for the question of the week. If you were inspired to make geode soaps, what colors and crystals would you like to try? I would also like to give a special shout out to soap sister Andrea Convery because she requested for this video and wishing you another year of blessings and happiness. Happy birthday! Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed what I shared, please leave a like and a comment below. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep you posted of my weekly uploads. Until next time, bye-bye and happy birthday to those who will be celebrating their birthdays this month. God bless!